So I'm gonna clean this surface off and that surface off. Try this coffee filter. Let's see how good that does. Looks like I got most of it off. You need to try to get it off. There you go. Actually, the kit I'm using is a Corsair, and this is free advertising. Corsair XTM70. I'm not sure where I got it. Maybe at Best Buy? I don't know. It also comes with ooh, smells good. Cleaning wipe. I got that out of this bag. Cleaning wipe, and it's alcohol. Wait. I think I'm gonna put it on this, right? So I'm gonna try putting it on here like that. I think I gotta peel it off. Okay, I got it on there. Yep. And then, let's see, I got this. Okay, go like that. I'm gonna apply the paste. They say put a little bit through here and maybe through here. Bring them in. Bring them in. Okay, let me take the top off. Hopefully it's not dried up. There you go. not coming out. How's that? Try to even it out. Okay, so you're gonna go use this to maybe push it out, push it towards the center. Then on the other side. Yeah, a piece of hair. I don't know where that came from. And it's gonna go right there, right? I just take it off. And there you go. Okay. Looks okay. Maybe this side's a little messed up compared to the other side. Maybe I can manually enter a little bit. It won't stick. Okay. And then this fan should go like that, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of dirty around here. Might as well use some alcohol. Okay. I'm gonna put this coming out here. It goes in like that. Yeah. Here's my Jackamie tool, Pro tool. It's kind of thick at the top, so it wouldn't fit through the ear holes. It was too big. This part's too big to go through. It wouldn't go through here. So I'm gonna turn. Let's see if I can get the other side. Is it grabbing? I don't know. Maybe I need to turn on the light. Can you see that it's grabbing? Let's see if I can get it in there. Get in there. Oh, I can't tell. I can't tell if it's grabbing in there. Oh. Maybe I wiggle it. I think I got it now. I'll try this side. Oops. I don't think it needs to be any tighter. Okay. Now here's the hard part, getting this thing in there. No, it shouldn't be too hard. Now, the hard part's getting it out. Getting it in, it should be a click. Ain't coming out. So I can put this over it. This cover. What do they call it? I forget what they call it. Hood. Yep. Yeah, it's in there. It's pretty secure. Hope it works. Okay, I got it all in there. I stuffed it all in there. I plugged the CD-ROM back on. The hard disk is back on. And this is the solid state drive. It's just kind of laying there. It's so light. I could secure it with something somehow. Do I have something to secure it with? Let's see if I do. No, I don't think so. Not here. I gotta check that. What's that? Oh. I think I got something that for it, but I think I left it in the car. Maybe I got some in here. No. 4K to T. Oh, that's display port, HDMI. Okay. Okay, so I used this product, the thermal paste. There's the thermal paste. Let's see if I can put the top to it. I got it all in there. It's loose, but it ain't going nowhere. I don't think. Let's see if I can. I think I got it. And then I cover it with this. Let's see if I can stick it like that. Oh, there we go. Now all I have to do is plug it in. This belongs to the other one. This belongs to that one. And this one, I can't find it. So I'm going to throw it away, I think. It's another thermal paste. So, I think I can plug it in. I think this one belongs to that one. And, yeah, that one belongs to that one. So, let's see. I think we can go. Okay, so I think I can put this one in here. And I need a. Oh no. Let's see, maybe this one. Oh boy. Or maybe this one. Let's see, keep this. Yeah, that's the keyboard. Now I need a mouse. Get one of these mouses going. see, got it in. And then power. But let me get the. Let's see. Let's see. I think I may have to go ahead and throw it away. Maybe. Now. Yeah, there's a cable, Ethernet cable. Where's the Ethernet cable? Where does it end? I saw it end somewhere. Let's see, it goes around here. Damn. Yes. Damn, where's it end? I see it. I think that's all I need. It lit up. Maybe it's starting already. Sometimes it starts when you plug it in. I hear something. It should come up. I'm gonna go ahead and push it on. I don't know. Rear fan failure. Wow. Shit. Oh, shit. I got a rear fan failure. Time of day not set. Invalid configuration information. Why is that? Let's try this. See what. System health. Processor fan. Hard drive. Continue to smart protector. Hard drive. Incorrect status. Why is that? So hard drive 0 is bad. Did I not plug it in? Processor fan. Phew. It comes. Oh, now it's up to 3040 RPM. Current, high, low. Now it's going down. What's it doing? Motherboard fan. I guess it was testing the motherboard fan. That's what I replaced, I guess. Wait a minute, there's a processor fan. That's good. But the motherboard fan, I think that's what I swapped. So it's not... Or it's taking a long time to test it. Failed to respond correctly. Continue troubleshooting. The system with the information provided below at the Dell. Use a mobile device to scan the QR code. Continue troubleshooting. Error code. Let's see. So, let's see. Oh boy. I found a video that might help. Fixing hard drive. But that might be something else. But let's see. I also got a drive disk 0 boot issue. Let's see. Check the HUD. The fan header reset. Clear the wireless logs. And maybe I have to do that. So I may have to unpack it again. Let's see. No, put it here. Continue testing. So it's saying here something's wrong with the fan. I guess everything else is, well, this hard drive, it's a solid state drive, it's probably not connected well, or maybe I switched parts like between these two or these two. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. No, there's a motherboard fan. Yeah. I can't. Oh, I can't use the mouse. It says the mouse is not active during testing. Yeah, that's testing the memory, right? Yeah, it's testing memory. I'm gonna assume the memory is okay. So I'm gonna escape. So now I can exit. Yeah. So I'm gonna shoot, let's see. I'm gonna stop now and check. Oh, let me see what it does now. Let's go inside the F2. See what I can do there. Let's see. Oh shit. What? 31. Hmm. 26. Where's the see what happens. All I did was set the time I don't know if that helps. Rear fan failure. What is that? Let's try F5. Let's see. Again. Order the hard disk. Disk drive 0. Fails. Yeah, fails. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to F2. Smart event. Non-RAID disk. F2. Then it says to go to system logs. System logs. Clear log. I still get rear fan failure. I'm gonna have to shut it down. So it looks like this fan's not working. We call it the rear fan. Maybe I knocked it off, the connection. Wow, it's hot. Wow. Oh, jeez. Shit. So I unplugged the SSD and it was kind of warm. Yeah, let me confirm that when I plug it back in and turn it on, this fan should turn. I took out the solid state drive. Here it is. I'll turn it on. I guess it's turning. The fan doesn't move. Why is that? So Gemini AI says, yep, if the rear fan is not working, it could cause the solid state drive to overheat, and that could damage it. I gotta stop. I can't think straight. I gotta get home. So I got two problems now. It looks like this fan is working, but this fan's not working. It went bad. And the solid state drive, it failed. Oh boy. Okay, so I give up. for now.